Hey there dearies, this is June of June Sketches, returning from a long hiatus with a process video of how I created my new intro. Now, if you haven't seen my channel trailer, then you haven't seen the new intro. For this short, simple, and basic animation, I tackle walking. I'd like to point out this is the very first time I'm animating with Photoshop, and actually I go through different ideas before making my final decision, and that's what you're looking at now. I haven't animated anything in the last 5 years, let alone with Photoshop. I'm a bit embarrassed to show an animation that I know could use a bit more hours, but I decided to do so anyway and to use it as an intro because really I'm proud of what I made, especially since it only took me 2 weeks to learn animation on Photoshop and to relearn animation, period. I do plan to use my knowledge, my newfound knowledge, and to create more animation in the future. So as far as a first trial goes, or quote-unquote first trial, since it's not my first trial, I like it. It's pretty good. So like I said, I learned how to animate on Photoshop for about 2 weeks. I didn't plan on learning how to animate on Photoshop, but I just thought that I really wanted to have a different kind of intro to what I used to have, just to excite myself a little bit more on getting back to YouTube. I could walk you through the process of how I created this animation, but seeing as I have admitted that I am a beginner in animation and in animating in Photoshop, I think I will instead direct you to the channels that I used to learn, and also maybe some links if I remember some of the links that I used and went to and read to learn. And you'll find those below in the detail thingy. I don't know YouTube jargon. I'm just gonna let you guys watch bits and pieces of what I did, because if I put the entire hours that I worked on this animation, you'd probably be here for a day at least. So enjoy! I'll see you guys on my next video. Remember to subscribe if you're not already, or if you'd like to, hit that thumbs up thing. Alright, I know technology. Bye!